We're just cruising right along, going to the Surfing Goats Dairy Farm. It's like a goat petting farm, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. I don't know what we're in store for.
Cheese, you get a quick 30-minute tour of the farm, and then going over to the Upcountry distillery. It's across the street. Next to it.
Surfing Goat Dairies. Okay, so far I definitely do not know what we're in store for on this one.
He'll go into pasture with his 70 ladies come November, and that will represent next year's spring and summer kidding season. Hi, Smoke. You gonna come say hi, bud? Come on. That's a good boy. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. Come on, sweetie. So anyway, if you guys want to feed the goats, I always ask you make a bowl with your hands and just put enough food that they can fit in their mouth so it doesn't get wasted all over the ground. Come on, show off for them. That's a boy. Here you go. They can breed 40 to 80 girls in a day. Another thing you need to know about the bucks is they're very affectionate. As you can tell, they want to rub. They rub to show affection. Yes, they do. There you go. Now that's Hemingway, our number 3 Bertie buck. This is his first time in pasture breeding the ladies. He's only 19 months old. And these younger ladies are like 7, 8 months old. And as long as they weigh at least 60 pounds, you can breed them for the first time. Gestation lasts 5 months. Something for corn. Yeah. Okay, they're castrated at 3 days old. Yep, along with all the does that Thomas gave it on. Yeah, thank you. The 42 acres just doesn't support GMO.
What's up, little goat? You guys want some food?
Anyway, there's a way they will figure it out. Now, it's just since Hemingway's been in here, his weight pushes that fence down so far that I do get concerned sometimes. I mean, he could just step out if he wanted to, but thankfully he's not wanting to. Alright, so we have a small contiguous area.
Okay, we got some cheesecake. I didn't even film, I just devoured it. It was goat cheesecake and it was delicious. And we also got some chocolate gourmet truffles. Hopefully they don't melt in the car. Oh, we have a cooler. And we're on our way to the Ocean Distillery Vodka.
Ocean vodka.
Ocean Vodka Distillery.
And what else happened during the middle of our tour?
Well, there's a surprise that happened during the middle of the goat tour that you get to see when we get to vodka.